Good morning, children. This is our English class. I am Pinky ma'am. Today we are going to read another story of your book, The Old Shawl. The name of the story, The Old Shawl. This is a story from Jataka Tales. In this story, we will learn reuse of things. Now, what is reuse? Reuse means use a thing as much as possible, maybe in different ways. Okay, like sometimes you use old bottles, old water bottles as pen stand. Okay, in this way we should try to use things again and again. This is reuse. So in this story we will learn reuse of things. Here are some examples by which we can use our old things like old clothes, plastic bottles, waste from the kitchen, old newspaper. Now you have to match these two columns. Here plant seeds in them. We can plant seeds in plastic bottle, old plastic bottles. Okay, old clothes, give them away to people who need them. We can give our old clothes to the people who need them. Next, waste from kitchen. Waste from kitchen, we can mix waste from kitchen like vegetable peels, etc. To our garden soil. It will help the plants to grow better. An old newspaper, we use old newspaper to make paper bags. Okay, in this way we can use our old things. So this is reuse, and we should try to use things as much as possible. Okay, now students, let's read the story about reuse. So name of the story is The Old Shawl. Okay, follow your book and read with me. One day a young student went to his teacher. He said, "Teacher, my woolen shawl is so torn that it cannot be mended." Mended means repaired. It cannot be repaired again. It is not usable now. He could not use the shawl again as it was torn. I need a new shawl before winter. Before winter arrives and the weather turns cold. So, the student went to his teacher and said that his shawl was torn and he needed a new one because winter was coming. Okay. The teacher looked at the old garment. It really was full of holes. He gave his student a new shawl. Are you comfortable? Asked the teacher. So, teacher looked and he found it that the shawl was really torn. And so he gave a new shawl. Now, here we learn some new words. Mended. Mended means repaired. Repaired. Garment. Piece of clothing. Garment. Piece of clothing. Now next page. Yes, sir, the student replied. What will you do with the old shawl now? I will use it as a bed sheet. So now the teacher gave him a new shawl, and the teacher asked that how the student can use the old shawl. So the student replied that he would use the old shawl as his bed sheet. Okay, old shawl as bed sheet. What will happen to your old bed sheet? Now the teacher asked, what happened with the old bed sheet? I will use it as curtain. So the student replied, he would use the old bed sheet as curtain. How will you use the old curtain? I will use the old curtain as a duster. And what of the old duster? I will tear the old duster into small pieces and use each piece as a wick to light lamp. The teacher was very happy. He smiled and said, you have learned the true value of things. Well done. So, you have to understand how the student wanted to use the old things. He wanted to use the old shawl as bed sheet, old shawl as bed sheet, old bed sheet as curtain, old curtain as duster, and old duster as wick to light lamp. Okay, so the teacher became very happy to know that his student learned the value of things and learned the reuse of things. So students, for your better understanding, I am discussing the gist of the story in Hindi also. तो बच्चों यहाँ पे हर चीज़ का रीयूज़ कितना इम्पॉर्टेंट है वो इस स्टोरी में समझाया गया. इस स्टोरी में जहाँ पे स्टूडेंट को न्यू शॉल चाहिए था तो उनको न्यू शॉल दिया गया, पर उनसे जब पूछा गया, स्टूडेंट से पूछा गया कि वो अपने पुराने शॉल से क्या करेंगे, टीचर जब पूछे उनसे तो स्टूडेंट ने बताए कि वो अपने पुराने शॉल को वो बेडशीट की तरह यूज़ करेंगे. और बेडशीट, पुराने बेडशीट को क्या करेंगे, पुराने बेडशीट को वो कर्टेन की तरह यूज़ करेंगे. पुराने कर्टेन को क्या करेंगे, डस्टर की तरह यूज़ करेंगे. और पुराने डस्टर को वो दिए जलाने के काम में जो चाहिए होता है ना, उसके लिए यूज़ करेंगे. सो ये सुन के टीचर बहुत खुश हो गए कि उनके स्टूडेंट हर चीज़ का रीयूज़ करना चाहते हैं. सो दिस इज़ द जिस्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी. ओके, हियर आर द न्यू वर्ड्स which we have learned in this story. Mended, repaired. Mended, repaired. Garment, piece of clothing. Duster, a cloth to wipe dust. Duster to wipe dust. A piece of cloth that we use to wipe dust. Wig, a piece of string or cloth that helps a lamp to burn. Wick is a piece of cloth that we use in diyas, lamp. Okay. You must try to learn this word meaning. Next page. Read and answer. What did the student request his teacher to give him? What did the student request his teacher to give him? A fan, a shawl, an umbrella. I know, student, you can do this. So, try this. Number 1 and number 2. Tick the correct answer. True, false. You can do this. So, solve this too in your book. Number 3 question. I will give you all the question answers and the extra question answers in Vasa map. All of you students write this in your copy neatly and read. Okay? तो आपको सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन आंसर, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, ट्रू फॉल्स, ये सब कुछ वासम में मिल जाएगा. आप वहाँ से अपने कॉपी में लिखिए और उसको पढ़िए. ओके? सो we will discuss the question answer and the remaining part of this chapter in our next class. Thank you.